Since matter could be anything, it's been further classified as pure and impure. For your understanding, matter that is pure would be called a pure substance. Let's discuss this in more depth, shall we? So, when I mention substance having a fixed composition, it's being implied that it is made up of components that will always remain unchanged, and the ratio in which they are combined also stays the same. Let's take the example of water. Water is made up of oxygen and hydrogen, right? You haven't come across any text that stated water having 3 hydrogens and 1 oxygen, or 2 oxygens and 2 hydrogens, thus establishing that the composition of water will always remain unchanged. Hence, always remember, for a matter to be pure, it should be a substance having a fixed composition, and not just that, it will also have specific properties. Now, let's move on to the second category of matter, which is called impure. So, what makes matter impure? We classify it as a mixture that can be further broken down into homogeneous mixture and heterogeneous mixture because of its composition. For example, if you were to take a glass of water and dissolve some sugar in it, what would you observe? Just water, right? That, guys, is what we call a homogeneous mixture. But if you were to replace sugar with sand, would you observe the same change? No. Why? Because sand will not disappear or dissolve in water, and therefore we would label it as a heterogeneous mixture. So, sugar water is homogeneous and sand water is a heterogeneous mixture. Here is an interesting fact. Every matter not only has chemical properties but also physical properties. Well, that's a lot for this video. Let's stop this here and I'll catch you in the next one.